Hello students, today we are going to discuss class 10th economics chapter number 1 development. The content of this lesson what we have to discuss today, that is HDI. HDI, the full form of this is Human Development Index. Human Development Index is published by the UNDP. It indicates the level of development of a country. Means, Human Development Index is a statistic composite index of health status, educational status, and per capita income. These three things are utilizing as the indicators which are utilizing by Human Development Index to rank different countries as developed or developing. The first thing what is working as indicator according to Human Development Index, that is health status. In health status, different measures are taking as the indicator to provide data of developed and developing countries. The first thing what is defined by HDI under the health status, life expectancy at birth. Life expectancy at birth means the average expected length of life of a person at the time of birth. In India, we are finding that the length of life or the life expectancy at birth is 64 years. The second measure in the health status is infant mortality rate. Infant mortality rate means death of young children under the age of 1 year per 1,000 live birth. Means, infant mortality rate is also working as an indicator of the availability of doctors and medical facilities in the region, as well as the awareness of the people who are living in that area or in that country in regards to disease and their prevention. If you are finding that in any country low infant mortality rates are there, it means it indicates good medical facilities and all around development in the society. A high rate of infant mortality rate will be an economic loss for the region or for the country, as much effort is wasted which could have been harnessed. The second criteria or the second indicator which is utilizing by Human Development Index to provide the data of developed and developing countries is educational status of a country. In that, the first thing what is measured by HDI, that is literacy rate of a country. Literacy rate means population that have the ability to read and write. In other words, in any country, people who are having alphabetical knowledge with them, they are knowing to write their name, they will also counted as the literate population of that country. And in the second indicator of educational status is net attendance ratio. Net attendance ratio means the total number of children of 6 to 10 years age group, those who are attending schools out of the total number of children who are available in that area, in that country, in the same age group, they will coming in the category of net attendance ratio. With the help of these things, with the help of these topics what we have discussed, as we are knowing that Human Development Index or HDI is also measuring different countries, or it's also providing the data for developed and developing countries. It is utilizing different type of indicators to provide the data of development of different countries, and these indicators are health status, education status, and per capita income. In those indicators, life expectancy at birth is there. According to that, we are expecting the length of life of a person at the time of birth. Second, infant mortality rate. According to that, we are finding the number of death of the young children who are not completing the age of 1 year as per 1000 live birth. Literacy rate means population, those who are having alphabetical knowledge, they are having ability to read and write, they are coming in the literate population. Same like that in net attendance ratio. The number of children who are having 6 to 10 years of age and they are attending school, they will form net attendance ratio of a country. The last, per capita income, what we have earlier discussed. Per capita income means average income or per person income of a country. According to the per person income of the country, it is decided by the HDI that which country is coming in developed status and in developing status. But the difference is, when HDI is going to be provide the data for developed or developing countries, it is utilizing health, education, and average income of the country. It is not utilizing only per capita income as World Bank is utilizing to provide its data, because HDI is published by UNDP, so that it is utilizing overall development of a country. According to overall development of the country, it is providing the data of developed and developing countries.